Happy Tuesday, what evening? So we are going to do our what hair care routine. We're gonna maintain this hair. And what are we using, y'all? We using y'all listen to Coco. Okay, so we're gonna use our olive miracle oil anti-breakage formula. I do my hair care at least 3 nights. 3 nights a week. At least 3 nights a week. Y'all, at least I try to. Okay, so. Oh, yeah, y'all. So, I am thinking about, of course, summer is here. And so, I am really thinking about going red. I want to do something funky for the summer. I think it's going to look cute. So I'm going to, and I'm not going to dye it. Oh, my hair is really going. I'm not going to dye it myself. I am going to go to Ulta Beauty. Y'all know they do hair in Ulta Beauty. They have a salon in there. And I had an appointment right before me and Coco went on vacation, but I wasn't able to make that appointment. So now we on vacation, and it's Ulta Beauty where we are. And so, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm really thinking about doing a red, like a punch, like a red punch. Not too red, but like a red punch. I think that red will look good. And some of my ends is already red. I was in Sally's, yesterday, and I hadn't been in Sally's in a long time. And a long time. Cause I haven't, y'all know I was dyeing my hair, keeping my hair jet black for a minute, but I had stopped, as you can see, and decided to rock my salt, pepper, and red pepper, cause my ends is, well, they're not red. That's a soft red, like a ash brown, more like. But anyway, we went in Sally's yesterday, and I was just surprised. I was shocked. They have remodeled Sally's. I don't know if y'all got a Sally's in your area, but check them out, because they have remodeled it. It looks exactly like Ulta Beauty. It looks exactly like Ulta Beauty. And so Sally's have more than just hair products. They are Sally's Beauty. They have fragrances. All the fragrances that's in the same fragrances that's in Target, because they have these. This is one from Target, the beauty bar in Target. Yeah. Yep. They have all of these fragrances at Sally's. So I was so shocked. They got facial masks and everything. They have, and you know, you have to do that, because if you want to keep up, you got to keep up. You got to elevate. You got to remodel. So they're not just selling hair products; they're selling beauty up in there. Got a whole new look and everything. But that's how business goes. If you want to keep up, you got to keep up. So I think I'm going to call. Well, yeah, I am. I'm going to call and make an appointment tomorrow with at Ulta Beauty, so I can get my hair dyed. Yeah. And when I let them do my hair, my dye, it does last a little longer than when I dye it myself. But yeah, so. And by me letting someone else dye it, I don't have to worry about if the dye is going to take or not. You know what I'm saying? Because they know exactly what they do to make that dye, make that color come through. Because see, I could try to dye my hair and it don't even work. Have y'all done that? I be thinking that I had a bad batch of dye when it don't take. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You want to dye your hair one color and come out another. So, but yeah. Get some yummy colors. So many people wearing different colors now. It's really fashion now. They got the blue and the green, and it be looking so pretty. It be looking so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do me some fun colors. Y'all know I'm so girly girl. And my hair is really growing. I will not change my locks for nothing in the world. And it will be 11 years this year. It'll be 11 years in September. It'll be 11 years in September of locks. And I will never change it. Y'all, my hair is nice and long. And I can tell it's growing, of course, by the length. And I can feel it. So, of course, y'all know I wear my head wraps, and I also do that ponytail. Tuck that hair, and that's a nice protective style, you know. Now, when I do my hair, I like to go all the way to the end of the hair. My hair is loving me. You can tell my hair loves me. Now, I like to do this do this and separate the locks because I don't want my hair to get matted. So, and giving myself a nice head massage. I was on social media and I found out about this head spa. Yeah, they do all kinds of nice treatments on your hair with all different type of fruits and flowers. Y'all probably familiar with it, but I just became familiar with it recently because I had never heard of it. And so they have one here in the area, so I'm going to try it out. Have y'all had the hair? It's called a head spa. Y'all look that up. Yeah, I like separating my hair. That way my hair just grow the right direction, you know, because I don't want it to grow out. Then it'd be pulling hair. I'm loving it. I'm going all the way down. Some people use products that give a bunch of buildup in their hair. I don't do that. I don't use nothing but olive oil, and you can't go wrong. And I also have the rosemary oil, but I guess it fell out of the container that I had it in, because I had so many products in there, and I guess it was so heavy. Because I see a hole in the back in the bottom of this container that I used to put my products in. So I have to order some more of that from Amazon. Rosemary oil. All of the hair oil is good for your hair, because they're straight from the earth. And so yes, but I use the rosemary oil along with the olive oil and the tea tree oil. And my hair love it. I was so shocked that I couldn't find my rosemary hair oil. And I had just bought it. Oh yeah. So, yeah, but I am really loving my hair. Y'all can tell I'm doing right because my hair is 11 years locked and it's easily past my butt. No joke. Y'all, I would never ever be able to have this length of hair with a relaxer. Only with natural hair. And I never liked chemicals in my hair anyway. It was my mom putting that mess in my hair. I have never liked perms. Never. And perms didn't like me neither. Mm-hmm. And that's cool with me. I love my natural hair. I love it. So y'all, let's get this conversation going. Are y'all rocking natural hair? And the way I transitioned from perm hair to my natural hair, I got some braids so I could grow the perm out. I got some braids and I had kept those braids in for a good 6 months. And then after that, I went to my lockologist and she cut all the perm off and we started with that much to grow. Mm-hmm. Yep. So we're gonna make sure this is separated, get a good massage. Mm-hmm. Man, when I saw that head spa, oh gosh, I wanted to jump and go get one right then. And when I was in Sally's yesterday, I was thinking about, I was looking for like a hair mask. And then I said to myself, I'm gonna get my own hair mask with the aloe plant. So when I go back grocery shopping, I'm gonna get a aloe plant and yeah, do a hair mask. Mm-hmm. This feels so good. So when y'all doing your hair, make sure you give your massage that scalp. Get the hair growing. So this feels so good. And so I got to go through all my locks. And if you do have some locks and they grow together, that's fine. Just let them grow together. And I always wear I have the satin cap that I have on. I got that from Amazon and they come in a pack of 3. You know, a variety pack. And so, of course, I got the black one, a purple one, and blue. Mm-hmm. And I could tell that the texture of my hair changes when I wear my satin caps, opposed to wearing, you know, my other wraps that's not satin. Mm-hmm. So I easily do a little twist on my locks. All I got to do is twist it because it's already locked. And that's that. Mm-hmm. Some people get their locks retwist. I just twist it whenever I feel like it. Mm-hmm. Now when you're growing your locks, say when I first started my locks, I think I did a retwist like every month and a half. But it didn't take my hair long to lock at all. And if one of your locks fall off, don't have no heart attack. Just hang on to the hair. And actually, you could just tie your lock to another lock or, you know, let your lockologist put it back in. Mm-hmm. And you will have some that fall out because the more your hair grows, you have tension on your hair when it's real long, you know. But look at all that hair, y'all. And guess what? When I was a little girl, I wanted long hair. Did y'all want long hair when y'all was a little girl? I darn sure did. Well, most high, answer my prayer. Y'all look at all this hair. Now y'all see the red? Y'all see the ends, how red it is? So I got 3 colors. I have this red pepper. This is where you can tell the red right here. Oh, so you can see the red right here. Mm-hmm. These locks are fun. Each lock has its own journey and its own story, y'all. Ah! Mm-hmm. These locks are so fun. So what color y'all think I should dye my hair? I'm really thinking the red. Should I just do red ends or should I do all over? You know, let me know. Should I do just the ends of the hair? You know, like a little bit up to like that much, you know? Or should I do the whole entire head red? I'm thinking about the whole entire head red. Okay, y'all gonna put cap on. I am really enjoying the summer. Y'all, what's your favorite season? Is it summer or is it winter? Now I have to, when I put my hair up, I like to make sure I got it even on the side because I don't want to sleep on no bumpy hair. Okay, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos. Bye.